Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today I've got an awesome opportunity for you. It is a 2019 built but model year 20 Eclipse Cross Exceed. Now starting at the front, I am going to walk you through the whole exterior features and just the whole design concept of the Eclipse Cross. Now as you can see at the front, you do get that really sharp take on that dynamic shield look. It was the platform that started Mitsubishi's newest look for all their vehicles, the Triton, the new ASX, and even the new Pajero Sport. So it is a beautiful design, very sleek on the front end, sharp angles all over this vehicle, and those sharp headlights with the daytime running lamp running through them. We've also got two projector beams, one for your standard beam and one for your high beam. Down the bottom being the Exceed, you do get your front parking sensors, all color matched to the bumpers, and the camera just under the front bar there for your around view monitor. Down here you've also got your large fog lights and indicators, and guys, let me tell you, the front end of this Eclipse Cross is incredible, but wait till we get to the back. Now along the side of the vehicle, now that first alloy, beautiful design there. You do get that really nice multi-spoke design with the hidden black spokes in between the chrome silver ones that do pop and contrast quite nicely with the actual white paintwork. Along the side of the vehicle you've got sharp mirror angles again, and those lines that run through the vehicle giving you the aerodynamics that the Eclipse Cross is designed for. It is an incredible design, and let me tell you, on these kind of kilometers I'm not even going to spend any time at all on the actual condition, because you can imagine they are effectively brand new cars. On the inside now, being the Exceed, you do get that really nice orange, that black leather with the orange stitching. Really nice design on these seats, and let me tell you, they are very comfortable seats as well. Down the bottom you do get your electric seat controls, and something I'd probably recommend is get some scuff guards in here. We do have illuminated scuff plates as well as a full range of accessories available for the Eclipse Cross. Now the design of the interior of this car is designed to maximize the space, so as you can see you do get the mud guard on the door rather than on the car, so it does increase how much space you actually get in the car and makes it a lot more comfortable to actually sit in, and makes it easy when you are getting in and out of the car as well. Up the top you've got the privacy glass on the back. Now that is going to keep everything in the back seat pretty private, but we'd highly recommend you match it with the darkest legal bold carbon window tint on the front. So ask us about that, because then you get the added safety and UV protection of the tint. On that next wheel, once again, really nice design. Not going to spend too long on the condition. Along the back end now, probably the best part about the Eclipse Cross, you do get that really nice split in the tailgate there, and the dual glass is going to give you really good increased visibility as well. Down the bottom, color match parking sensors. Again, you've got the chrome tailgate splitter. You're reminded that it is super all-wheel control, and that rear wiper is nicely subtly tucked into that rear spoiler there. Popping this up, in the back end you do get plenty of space in the Eclipse Cross. Now there is a cargo blind fitted here as well, and under here, just in order to save you space, you've got a Space Saver Spare Plus or your jack and tools. Now the seats do fold almost flat, so if you did want to put anything in the back, very easy to actually make more space in the back of these cars. Closing that back up, you've got a reverse camera just in there as well, once again for your reverse camera, but it is also for your around view monitor. Along this side you've got the fuel filler cap on the passenger side. It does run on standard 98, and once again curves and edges on this vehicle do present really well. If we come along to the mirror now, on both the driver and passenger mirror, there is actually a camera just mounted underneath there, and on the mirror itself you do get your blind spot monitoring, so there is a little light just in there for your blind spot monitor. As you can see guys, very well designed vehicle, and for a brand new vehicle and this kind of pricing, you're saving a lot of money. So do your part and protect your investment. Ask us about the glass code, ask us about the tint, and ask us about our accessory packages as well, because we're going to help you customize this car to look exactly how you want it to. And let's face it, you do want to protect a beautiful vehicle like this. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Under the bonnet now you've got a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Let me tell you, this is an incredible drive. Now the turbo in this vehicle is built to give you a good pickup and keep it nice and smooth when you are up to speed. The actual design of the engine bay, you do get a 3-point strut brace, as you can see just here, which does hold your chassis in place when you are taking corners, so it gives you increased handling as well. And with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, once again, it is a very smooth drive. Now ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with many of Mitsubishi's MyVec safety systems. So we'd be glad to run you through everything you get in this car and how the vehicle actually works with all the safety. And let me tell you, you are going to be blown away. So power output is 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 250 Newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 60 liters, and even though it is a turbo engine, you can actually run it on 91. Fuel consumption is about 7.7 liters per 100, and average fuel distance is about 779 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Eclipse Cross now, on the driver's side door, there's a little handle here that does give you all your power mirror controls and the little toggle. Nice and easy to use with your thumb. On the door itself, you do get all your power window controls, and they are all automatic. Above that is your central locking and your window lock. Now on the right hand side here, you've got all your buttons for your safety system, so forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and your stability control. If you want more information on those systems, ask us about it because we will go into detail with you. Down the bottom you've got 3 blank buttons if you want to add anything extra, and your parking sonar button. Next to that, again, probably one of the coolest features about the Eclipse Cross, your heads-up display. So as you can see, when you press the HUD button, it does pop up a little display. Next to the button for that, you have got your brightness control, but you've also got the angle adjuster, so you can actually change the height of the display just to get all the information nice and central for you. The steering wheel is leather wrapped and very, very comfortable to hold. Cruise control settings are on the right hand side with your adaptive cruise there as well. On the left hand side, all your media controls and the button for your around view monitor. Right hand side stalk, you've got your indicators as well as automatic headlights and automatic high beams, and left hand stalk you've got your automatic wipers and all your washers as well. Behind the steering wheel, if you like the sporty feel of driving a car like this, you can switch through the gears manually with the large paddle shifters. Now, having a look in the center display, I will show you the nice 360 camera you get. So as you can see, very easy to park this car when you can see all 4 sides. Now, if you press it again, you do also get your front left wheel, which will help you with your parallel parking. In terms of media options in this display, you have got AM and FM radio, but you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so connecting your phone with a USB cable will mirror it up there and give you the option to use Spotify or whatever you use for music, as well as Google Maps for navigation. You've also got your Bluetooth connectivity as well. Now down the bottom, you have got your dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver both get their own temperatures. And down here again, 2 USB ports, a little bit of storage, and a 12-volt socket. Behind that again, you have got heated seats for the front 2 seats, so very good for winter conditions when it does get a bit cold and you don't want to sit on cold leather. Behind that again, super auto control, so it'll let you switch through auto, snow, or gravel. Then your shifter, you can drive it as a standard auto or bump it to the left into sports mode and switch through your gears with the paddles or the shifter itself. Got a little trackpad down here as well. It does work similar to a normal mouse pad, but it does save you having to reach over and touch that screen. If you want more information on the gestures for that pad, scroll to the last page on the main screen and there is a tutorial. Now behind that, you've got your electric park brake, auto hold, 2 cup holders, and that leather wrapped center console. When you open it up, there's a little storage here, maybe for your sunglasses or something, and plenty more storage just under there. Now panning up to the roof quickly, you can see do get a really nice sunroof there. So that one, the right hand control does open the shade, but the left hand control does open the shade and the sunroof together. So really good for days like today when you might want to cruise and get a little bit more light in. Now on the back, the fun does not stop there. You do get a shade in the back as well, so split rear sunroof, split sunroof in this vehicle, so really good for letting in extra light when you maybe want to tap while you're driving. So very, very well designed, and let me tell you, it is a very comfortable car to sit in as well. What we're going to do now, guys, is jump outside and wrap up the video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Eclipse Cross. As you can see, it is an incredible vehicle. So a couple things that I recommend you ask us about, because we are going to talk to you about it anyway. Glass coat, which will give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. Platinum 1 protection plan, which if it is a long-term investment, will give you another 5 years up to 200,000 kilometers on your factory warranty. And the other thing is accessories. Ask us how we can help you customize your vehicle. Consider some of the accessories and we'll get them fitted for you. Now, just before I go as well, ask us about our finance options, because you'd be pleasantly surprised about what we have to offer. We're going to introduce you to Mario or Julie, our business managers, who will talk to you about your finance options. They're going to show you just how minimal the change in your repayments is going to be with everything included in there for you. We're going to make the payments nice and comfortable for you too. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us. But before I go, you need to also look at our Google reviews. Read what people have to say and have a look and decide for yourself that you are dealing with the right type of business, buying a good quality vehicle, and we are going to look after you from start to finish and make sure everything is easy and comfortable for you. If you have any questions, then the number to dial is 9907055. My name is Josh, and Barrick Mitsubishi, love that experience.